Man, this dent was so bad. Its belt size is equator. Wow, check out this dent in this Chevy Camaro. Oh my goodness. All right, so I'm gonna kind of talk you through this thing. So up here, right here, we have basically the impact point right there is where that one spot, boom, something hit that and caused all this damage. So this dent goes from all the way up here, all the way down here, all the way down here. So it's about, man, I'd say about 20 inches from here to here. And then you have smile all the way down there. That's probably another 20 inches of smile from here to here. So we got a little something right here. And then if you come all the way back here, we have smile right here and here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply tension. I'm gonna apply outward tension. I'm probably gonna put a strap here, pulling that way. At first, I'm gonna put one probably right here. After we get this thing moving, I might pull the tension all the way back here because we have this smile right here. There's not really much damage to the edge, so we don't have to worry about that. Once we apply that tension, this whole thing is gonna move much easier than if I'm just starting out, just pushing on that. All right, here we go. This dent was so big, it sat on a quarter and squeezed the booger out of George Washington's nose. At first, I'm gonna focus all the tension right here. So I'm gonna put this sucker right there. A little more, just to strengthen it up a little bit. Right, I'm gonna clean this up. All right, so I'm gonna crank these down. Remember, this is gonna be pulling that way. And this one is gonna pull that way. All right, I'm trying to knock down this smile down here, and I need to put tension while I'm knocking this down. Ideally, I'd put a tab here and pull tension while I knock down. I'm kind of out of straps at the moment, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this flat bar with this really cushiony tip, so I'm not gonna really cause any damage. I'm putting it up here where I'm gonna apply pressure, leaning against it, boom. Now I'm gonna knock down while I'm applying pressure with the bar that I'm leaning against. I learned that one from the Harlem Globetrotters. And now it's going away much more easily. So I did have some trouble with this one with the glue sticking because I had the engine running and it was keeping that panel too hot, so I had to turn the engine off and cool it down to get that glue to stay with all that tension on there. All right, I'm on it with this. There's a little too much movement, but I'm gonna give it a try. All right, let's put some heat on this thing. Woo. Look at that. Just after that few minutes, this smile's still here. I'm gonna have to work on that. A lot of that dent is just gone. All right, we're gonna focus on this big smile down here. But I'm not smiling. All right, there's some dent right here that is gonna help stiffen that up because it's kind of flopping right now as I'm trying to knock it down. All right, I'm gonna glue this back here where I don't have to worry about it being in the way of me knocking down this smile. So, all right, now I'm gonna work on this very top part right here from the inside of the hood compartment. And I'm gonna use a dent slayer, normal size, with a cushion tip on the end. All right, here we go. You can see how I'm pushing up here, but this is flexing down here. So it's all connected. I'm coming towards the end. I'm taking off the tension. Woo! All right, tension's off. All right, I'm liking what I'm seeing. A few more final touches. That hammer is a Shane Jack's jackhammer. If y'all don't know about him, he's got a podcast. If you're a beginner at PDR, you really need to go check it out. It's called PDR College Podcast. And if you're just getting into this trade, you need to watch all those episodes. So one last thing is that there's a spot at the top where the impact, boom, boom, busted that smile up and just sent that piece of paint flying. That paint is gone. So we're gonna touch this up. Less is more when you're touching stuff up.
And let the knife do the work.
Here we go. All right, all finished with this dent. Man, it was a journey. I'm gonna give you guys a good look at it. There was so much going on with this thing, and the bulging smile that was coming out of the top created the most challenging part was actually up here. The edge up top was bent a little bit, and that part on this plane of surface gave me the most challenging time, because that was really holding this thing in. So overall, I'm happy how it came out. Let me know what you think in the comments. See you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what I'm doing. Let me know what you want to see next time. All right, I'm out.